Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Inkerma laser tape measure. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great measuring tape to have. I like how well that is made and how it has the laser feature that you can measure a long distance with this, and you can also use this as a regular tape measure also. So let me show you how it looks, what it comes with, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So here's the measuring tape. You can see how it looks. On the front, this is how you turn on and off the laser and the LCD screen here. This button right here, it changes the unit of measurements once you measure it. This is how the back looks. On the back here, you can insert this cord right here. So you could just hold it with your hand so it's not going to fall off. Over here is your belt clip. This button right here, it retracts the measuring tape, which is down here. And here is your laser right there. On the bottom is where you put your batteries. So it takes 2 AAA batteries, which are included in the pack. This measuring tape goes up to 16 feet. And the laser measures up to 130 feet. So the way to turn it on, you press this button. So your LCD and your laser is turned on. So you can see the laser right there. There's the laser. And then once you're ready to measure, you press the laser button again. And then that will give you your measurement. So it's 2 feet, 5 inches, and 3/4. If you want to change the unit of measure, you press this button. So it tells you now it's 29 inches and 3/4. You see right there. And then it shows in meters. And then the good thing about this is that it saves your measurements. So say I want to measure something else. So I press the laser button again. So my previous measurement is on top. I press the measurement one more time. And then it'll tell me the new measurement on the bottom. So you can always change it. If you want to use this as a regular measuring tape, you just pull out your measuring tape. And then you just take your measurements using the old-fashioned way. See right there. So the measuring tape gives you your standards. And then on the bottom, you go with meters too. And then if you want to turn off the unit, you just long press this button here. And then it shuts off. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description. And you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great laser tape measure. I like how you're able to either use the laser to measure up to 130 feet, or you use your standard measuring tape up to 16 feet. I also like how the LCD screen is bright and you're able to change the unit of measure just by pressing the button. And I also like how it saves up to 2 measurements on here. The build quality is very good. And I also like how you're able to attach this either with your belt clip, or you could use the cord right here so you could hold on to it and it won't fall. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.